I want everyone to join in. Is there anyone there right now? Can I hear people talking? I want people to be there in my life because it's very important and it's high time for me to say something. Every time I have been quiet, I have been avoiding such comments, and I have been, always saying things and stuff, and I have always been supporting and thanking you guys, but that doesn't mean that you guys have the right to mold my personal life. The reason that I have come on live today, I don't want you guys to just randomly text any of my friends, any of my besties, or any, I don't want you guys to put them in such an extent, such a position where they can't even comment in my posts. Dude, come on, wake up. You can't just forcefully link me up. And you can't just force my friends. You can't just, have your own viewpoints about things and just, take away my personal life from me. Right now I shouldn't be this way, but I couldn't handle it anymore. Let them be. Let my friends be, guys. Let my friends be in their own way. Just don't keep texting. I wanted your support rather than all such things. My best friends keep commenting and stuff. I do have best friends who are really, really amazing and really good. This Shaki song that you are getting, guys, it's because of them, okay? Because of my friends. I have different friends as such who keeps helping me all the time. The reason that I am making this live is to let you guys know that you don't have the right to link me up with anyone, until and unless you are sad. And I shouldn't be this vulnerable right now, but I have been seeing this since months, okay? And it's high time for you guys to stop it. Literally stop it. The 3,000 people who are just looking at it, I hope you guys understand. We are friends. Whatsoever, even if I'm single, even if I'm taken someday, you guys don't have the right to say anything bad about it. There is something called a personal life, and if it's not there, then I'm really very sorry. I have to take a long break from Instagram. I'm really very sorry. I knew I had to speak up against it because this is, you guys have started, hampering lives of my, best friends, and I won't allow that. मैं घूमती हूँ अपने दोस्तों के साथ. I roam out with my best friend. You guys will be texting my mom up. You guys will be calling her up. I don't know whatsoever. How do you get the number? You'll text my mom up. You'll give me a text. You guys text my best friend up, Akash, saying how could you do this to someone, when you are with someone. I'm with no one. I am single. I am independent. I'm very happy with my life. I have friends. That's it. Okay, you guys just can't keep texting. My friends, my best friends keep commenting because they actually love me, okay? And I also love my friends. I have the right to love my friends. And I do that. Okay? And I do that. I want you guys to know that you don't have the right to say anything to them. They are my friends, okay? This was high time for me to inform all of you that I am actually not liking this. You guys have never seen me never seen me like this, but I want you guys to know to stop it. There's a limit to everything. I have my personal life and you can't just mess this up for me, okay? I always am thankful to you guys for supporting me, for loving me. You have always seen that, but that doesn't mean you have the right to mold up my personal life. Guys, just enough.